Yo, it's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm going to talk about traffic exchange sites for affiliate marketers. All right, now, in my opinion, are they worth it or not? So if you're not familiar with what traffic exchange sites are, they're basically websites that they just have tons and tons of websites on there. And how it works is you join the website, right? You create your account, you put up whatever links that you want to be seen by other people. And every time you click and look at somebody else's website, it usually earns you a credit that guarantees that somebody will look at your offer, right? Now the idea is great, right? Because it's like, hey, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is a way I can get my site seen, guaranteed traffic, right? So I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna watch a whole bunch of other people's or take a look at other people's offers, but it's all good because I know other people checking my stuff out. And here's the thing, can traffic exchange sites work? In my opinion, I do think they can, right? They can generate you some leads, right? But the thing is, there are some trash sites out there. So yes, they can be beneficial, especially if you just getting started with affiliate marketing, or or you don't really have any sort of money to put into affiliate marketing, like advertising and stuff like that. It could be very helpful, but you have to be on the right sites, because there's some sites out there that don't even got a lot of members, right? So like you sign up and like 10 people gonna be looking at your site over and over again. You wanna find traffic exchange sites with good reputations, and you wanna make sure they have a lot of members, right? In the thousands, make sure they up in the thousands. And another thing you really wanna keep in mind is you usually don't wanna just have a straight sales page, right? Do not put your main website link that just takes you to the sales page, because you probably get no sales like that. 99% of the time you want to submit, lead capture forms to your exchange sites, because you basically using these exchange sites to build up your list. That's like what most people use these sites for, to get people on your email list and to be able to start doing your own marketing, right? So do not use a sales page like straight up, because you're probably not going to generate that many sales at all. You might get one or two here and there, who knows, but overall, submit pages, lead capture pages, right? Do that and you'll be better off. All right. So one thing about a lot of traffic exchange sites that you need to keep in mind is, to get a lot of traffic, right? That would mean that you need to look at a lot of other people's offers and websites. And a lot of people, even like myself, I'm like, man, I ain't trying to do all that, because I already know what I'm promoting. I already know what I'm into. I just need traffic to my offers, right? I don't got time. Like if I want 1,000 clicks on my ad, that means I gotta look at 1,000. I gotta look at 1,000 damn websites. Oh, I ain't got the time, right? So you need to keep that in mind, because if you don't got the time to look at 100 sites or 1,000 sites, that's going to really limit your exposure to your offer. Now, about a week ago, I got introduced to a new traffic generating system from Danny Cash, all right, because I'm on her email list, whatever. And she just sent me out her new program that she developed, and it's called Clickstrain, right? Now, initially when I saw it, I saw the email, I'm like, oh, Clickstrain traffic, I'm good or whatever. But I actually took the time to look at her offer and look at what she does, right? So after checking it out, I'm like, all right, let me give this a shot. So basically, Clickstrain is a platform where you submit your website, right? And you're guaranteed traffic. You're guaranteed traffic because she is involved with the network, I'm assuming, of a lot of traffic exchange websites are involved with it. So it's thousands and thousands of people potentially can see your offer. So once you join basically her rotator, you're guaranteed views, right, to your website. Now, the cool thing about Clickstrain is, it's a couple cool things. One is that You do not have to click on it. You don't have to do nothing but submit your link. That's it, right? So you will not have to worry about. She eliminates that time that you will have to spend, you know, sitting in front of your computer, just clicking next, wait 5 seconds. Okay, click on the next site. I don't like it. Keep it going, right? She eliminates all that with Clickstrain, which I thought that was really, really cool. So I still was kind of like, it sound good, but I don't know. But then I realized, well, you look at the sales page, it's only $4.99 a month for guaranteed traffic by real potential leads. Real leads, right? So I'm like, I gotta check this out, right? So I did it, right? $4.99, I signed Clickstrain, right? So you're probably wondering like, yeah, bro, but did you get any traffic yet? Did you get any leads? And that's what I was worried about. And sure enough, I really started generating leads from Clickstrain. I think I got so far like 8, right? Which is good. I mean, 8 signups, right? I got a lot of people seeing my site so far, but I actually got like 8 leads, you know, to sign into my opt-in form from Clickstrain, because you can actually see the tracking involved, right? So for $4.99 a month, people seeing my website right now as I'm making this video and potentially making me a sale. So Clickstrain, I will highly recommend it if you're just getting started, or you just been struggling with affiliate marketing and you want some quality traffic but super affordable traffic. You definitely want to check out Clickstrain. It's only $4.99. $4.99 a month, and you can just sit back and just let the traffic roll in. All right. Now, to be completely real with you, there is an upsell that she does. I'm gonna keep it real. She do an upsell. It's $15 after you pay your $4.99. She gonna come back and be like, hey, for a one time, it's only one time, $15, you can actually add another website. So if you have 2 different businesses that you want traffic to, I would highly suggest you upgrade and just pay the one time $15, and then you only got to pay $4.99 a month forever. I would recommend that. But if you only got one site, one business that you're promoting, then you only need the $4.99. I mean, damn, you know what I'm saying? So if you want to check out Clickstrain for yourself, obviously the first link in the description, you could check it out for yourself. Sign up, right? Sign up and let me know. Come back to this video and let me know if you got any traffic. And I'm sure you will. And I'm sure you'll probably get some opt-ins, assuming you got a good offer. All right, that's on you. All right, so check Clickstrain out. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.